Hey Nokia fans, we're here today to show you the official retail box of the Nokia N97. We can't tell you how excited we are to finally get one of these, and we will be receiving it at the Nokia Flagship Store in New York soon. So we just wanted to show you a little preview of what you are to expect when you get your device. So of course you can notice first of all the packaging. The packaging is very eco-friendly, a lot smaller than some of our other packaging. So of course we're trying to package the most in the smallest amount of space so we can save the environment. So let's open up the device or the box. And the first thing we see here is the N97, of course, the BP4L battery, which is a great battery. I definitely use that on my E71. Let's take that battery out, show you how it looks like. The stylus for your N97, similar to the one that came with the 5800, but a little bit different. And then of course your N97. So let's set the 97 down for a minute to see what else comes with it. So in the box, you're to expect the USB charger, which it does charge via USB. There's how the charging port looks. Then we have the USB data cable, which also serves as a charger. We have the headphone and the headphone controller. So you can definitely plug in your own 3.5 headphone jack, control your music, pause, play, fast forward, and then pick up your call. We also have what appears to be a screen cleaner, to clean the screen on the device. And you can see the Nokia N series logo on that. Looks really cool. Then we have some little service pamphlets here. The Nokia OV suite to load on your PC so you can control your music, your photos, maps, and anything like that. We also have a pamphlet here illustrating some of our Nokia services, which I definitely recommend you guys go to ov.com. You can check out OV Share for your photos, OV Contacts to back up your contacts and calendar, OV Maps to download some Nokia Maps for free. Then OV Store for your applications, which we did open that recently, and they have some really cool applications on there. Engage to download your games, and then Nokia Messaging for your email. So definitely go to ov.com and check that out. Put this to the side. And then the last thing here is your pamphlet. So your user guide. So the Nokia N97 user guide. Let's put that to the side. And let's turn the device on. And of course the Nokia Connecting People logo. And as you can see, once you turn your device on, it's going to ask you for allow connection to network. It's to give it the ability to upload some of the widgets that it already has on the device. But for the moment, we're just going to click no on that. And as you can see how the home screen is set up, automatically you're going to have messaging, you're going to have the web, Nokia Maps, and then music. Below that, it's going to load some of the contents from the widgets, where at the moment we're not connected to the internet. Then you have your 4 favorite people. If you saw that, it just did. It connected to the Facebook widget and then the AccuWeather. And then right below that, the last thing you're going to see is for your email setup. Cool thing about this is if you don't want any of these widgets on your screen, you can just move it, it disappears, and then just bring it again right back. And then if you want to see this also on the landscape mode, just flip up the keypad and it'll change the menu viewing on it as well. And as you can see, the keypad is really nicely set up. You have your directional keypad, up, down, left, right, and then your letter keypad on it as well. Now let's check out what's in the menu. Just press the silver button right here on the left-hand side. And it's going to have your Nokia standard menu. Of course, your calendar, your contacts, music, web, messenger, photos, OV Store, which is the N97 is one of the only devices, or the first device to come with the Nokia OV Store loaded on it. So you'll definitely be able to load some applications straight from the moment you get the device. Nokia Maps, and then games and applications. So let's check out what's in applications. And it's going to come again with some of Nokia's standard apps, such as your notes, your clock, camera, quick office, recorder. So let's scroll down. And it comes with some surprising applications that some of the other devices don't come with right out of the packaging. So you have your Joiku Spot, which is usually an application you have to download. The YouTube application, the World Traveler, if you want to get your weather, currency exchange, AccuWeather, and the Amazon widget, the AP News application, which lets you see the news. You can read the news, see the videos. Bloomberg for you business type individuals who need to check your stocks. Facebook, which I would definitely be using. You know, you can definitely stay connected with your friends and upload photos. High Five, Slideshow, and let's see what else it has. And Boingo and Quick. Quick is a really good application as well. Lets you have your own online channel and upload videos and photos. So that's what you're to expect right out of the packaging box. And it does also have Spores. Let's check out the camera momentarily just to see how the pictures look. So, of course, this is your 5 megapixel camera, Carl Zeiss lens. Let's open the slider. So, of course, you have your autofocus to take your photos, similar to the N95. So, again, this can be used to take photos and for also videos. Let's take a picture over here. And pretty easy. Let's exit out of here and just leave that there. And once again, this is the N97. This is what you're going to be getting as soon as we get it here at our store. So definitely check on our Facebook page and keep posted. We'll definitely let you guys know when we'll receive it. And it's an awesome device. Definitely feel free to come into the store and check one of our prototypes anytime.